Hello, I'm going to do an unboxing video. It's the Galaxy S24 Ultra Samsung. The Galaxy S24 Ultra just arrived today. So, well, that's a good start. No, doesn't appear to be a paper clip in there. Oh, that is massive. Oh, that's heavy as well. Wow. Oh, look at that. Let's see, the titanium black. Oh, wow. There's not much in the box by the looks of it. What's that? Five cameras? Wow. That is the S928B/OS. That's a 500 gig model as well. Right. Oh. And, oh wow, stylus. I haven't had a stylus for a phone since the, oh, when was the last time I had a stylus? For the T-Mobile MDA Vario 2, which was actually the HTC Hermes 300, I think is the actual model name. Right, let's put this back in here for a second. Let's have a look, see what's in the little goodie box. It doesn't look like there's much, but the usual manuals. Oh, there is a SIM pin. Not that I need it. And oh, aren't I going to have fun? It's USB-C at both ends. And what plug have I got? Standard Samsung. Luckily enough though, I have actually got a USB-C plug that I bought to be able to charge my watch. Oh, that reminds me, that needs charging as well. Because what's the battery on that? 8%. That's not going to last long. Right. Well, yeah, it's the Galaxy Watch 5. Does last a few days usually, to be honest. Right. See if I can remember how this all went in. Oh, it was literally just like that, wasn't it? Just fiddly. But why is that? Never mind. Right. Let's get to the exciting bit. Turning it on. I do apologise if you can't see me. Right, let's turn this baby on. Right, Mick, it's actually got a stylus and everything. Right. So we can actually like doodle on it.
You do a driving job, so you're not going to be able to doodle on it. Idiot.
Yeah, but I can't draw anyway. And it's USB-C at both ends. So I'm going to need to use that plug that I've been using for my watch. Right, let's turn this on. This is when we find out there's no charge. Oh, it's turning on. Samsung Galaxy secure by Knox, pretty standard. There's your Android logo. That's the startup setup screen. Just wait for the English to come back round. Bun Vinny. English United Kingdom. Yeah.